If your toilet constantly runs, doesn't flush properly, or makes humming sounds, it probably needs a new Ballcock fill valve. Here's what you'll need to replace it. First, empty the tank by shutting off the water to the toilet and flushing it. Then, place a bin underneath the tank to catch any remaining water as you work. Next, with an adjustable wrench, unscrew the mounting nut that holds the Ballcock assembly in place. Then take out the old valve. To assemble the new valve, attach the cone washer to the tailpiece, then insert it into the tank's opening. Now, align the float arm socket so that the arm will pass behind the overflow pipe and screw the float ball into place. Next, bend or cut the refill tube so that the tip fits inside the overflow pipe. To reattach the supply line, screw the mounting nut and supply line coupling into the new Ballcock tailpiece. Finally, turn the water supply back on and check for leaks. Tighten with a wrench if necessary. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.